Hey everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to save Instagram videos in Gallery. So let's get started. Begin by launching your Instagram application. Make sure you are logging to your account. Then tap on the search bar. And then search for the video that you want to save or tap in any of the video that you want to save. Now tap on the share icon. There you can find download button. Tap on it. You can't save the video with audio on it. And if you are sure, tap on the download button. And this is how you can save Instagram videos in Gallery. Thanks for watching Online Help Guide. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.